Hello students, now we are going to solve question 5 of exercise 2.4. Now this polynomial is having 4 as a degree, x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10, and this has to be divided by x square minus 2x plus k. Now the question is simple. Now they want us to find out k and a by dividing this way. Now we'll start dividing. X square should be multiplied with another x square to get x to the power 4. Now further multiplication is x square minus 2x gives you minus 2x cube. Now x square plus k gives you x square k. You can write down here plus kx square. Now we can start subtracting. Now this becomes minus and this minus becomes plus, and lastly this also becomes minus. Now this gets cancelled and minus 6 plus 2x cube will give you minus 4x cube. Now here it is unlike term, so what we do, we write plus 16x square and then minus kx square. Now minus 25x plus 10 we write down as it is. Now we multiply x square with minus 4x. What we get? We get minus 4x cube minus into minus plus 8x square plus 8x square. What else? Minus 4x into k will give you minus 4kx. Where we don't have that. Well, we write down below this minus 4kx. What we do, we start subtracting. As we know, we are going to subtract the whole polynomial. Therefore, the sign changes. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now this gets cancelled. Here 16x square minus 8x square gives you 8x square. We write minus kx square as it is. Now 25x and 4x we have to write kx, that is, Now minus 25x and minus 4xk or kx, they are unlike terms. What we do, we write minus 25x and then plus 4kx, then bring 10 as it is. We have to multiply plus 8 with this whole polynomial. What we get? 8x square, then minus 16x, we write below this 16x, and then 8k we can write down here plus 8k. Now as we know, this plus becomes minus, here this minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes minus. Why we write this? Just to see that we don't go wrong. Now this gets cancelled. Here we write down minus kx square, and here we can take the difference and that becomes minus 9x, because 25 is bigger number and that has minus sign, therefore minus 9x is what we got. Here these two are unlike terms, write down as it is plus 4kx and then minus 8k and bring this plus 10 as it is down. Now you can observe that this is to be multiplied with only k, but what k? Minus k, so that you get minus kx square. and this minus and minus 2x becomes plus 2kx here, plus 2kx. Minus k has to be multiplied with plus k. You get minus kx square. We write down below this. Now kx square get cancelled. Here you get minus 9x, and this is now minus sign. 4kx minus 2kx gives you plus 2kx. And these two are unlike terms. Write down minus 8k, and this becomes plus. Therefore, it is plus k square plus 10. Further division is not possible. Therefore, what we do, we assume that this is the remainder and this is the quotient. Now, in the question, the remainder has to be x plus a. This is x plus a. This is the remainder. What we got is this. So, naturally, x plus a is equal to minus 9x plus 2kx, then minus 8k plus k square, and then plus 10. Now you can observe here what is common, and that we can remove, bring it out of the bracket. Minus 9, then plus 2k, close the bracket. Then put minus 8k plus k square plus 10. Now be careful to sort out this way, that up to here it is equal to this x, and after minus this portion, this is another term which is equal to a. Now we have to compare x with this and a with this. Therefore, what we write here, x is equal to x into minus 9 plus 2k. First we do this, then go to the second. Now this x gets cancelled with this. Here we have only 1. Therefore 1 is equal to this. Then we can rewrite this way, minus 9 plus 2k is equal to 1. You only interchange the sides. Now 2k is equal to 1, and when you bring minus 9 to the other side, that becomes plus 9, and k is equal to 10 by 5, and that is equal to not 5, it is 2. 10 by 2. Now that is equal to 5. The value of k we could find out. That answer is over. That is equal to 5. Now what is the leftover? We have to find out a. Now that you can find out from this equation. Here what we do? A is equal to minus 8k plus k square plus 10. Now wherever we have k, we can substitute this value, that is 5. So a can be written this way. A is equal to minus 8 into 5 plus 5 square plus 10. That is equal to minus 8 into 5 gives you 40. 5 square is 25 plus 10. Minus 40 plus 25 plus 10 will give you minus 5. This is the value of a. So we could find out the value of both k and a. K is 5, a is minus 5. So the answering of question 5 is over. We move on to the next video.